Okay, so then what can we do after finding the picture? So first thing is just search Dr. Toon. So if you want to become a doctor, you can search like this also. So that is, I don't know, conductor or some maybe funny character. So just I'm just taking this image. How to get this image? You know the steps.
Copying it or downloading it.
Yes, the copy karan.
Right click it and copy image and paste it in MS Word.
Right click on the image, copy image, go to MS Word, right click, paste. How to move this picture to a
Wrap text in front of text.
Sorry?
Wrap text.
Wrap text. You can right click, wrap text, and behind the text. That is the easiest way to move this image to somewhere else. Right click, wrap text, behind the text. Then that is the easiest way, right? So there are some other ways, but I found this is the easiest. Let's scale up. Okay, then you have to get your face. You have to get your face. That you can do. So for, in my case, I can just Google it because I have some footages in Google. So I have some footprints, or we call footprints. So if you have good footprints in Google, so that is some good thing for your future.
So what do you
So how to how to put images to Google?
So no, you are not putting Google images to Google. What you do some good works. For an example, you can maintain a good YouTube channel, right? So and you can you can maintain good hobby. So actually, I'm hobby photographer. I'm doing photography as my hobby, as well as I'm doing music, composing, lyrics writing as my hobby. Further to that, I have some like kind of milestone achieved in my university life, like getting Professor Samaranayaka Gold Medal was one of my achievement in my university history. So then, so if you search like Dasun Nilanjana and then search, so you will get like LICT and so you have a photography suggestion. And for the moment, I'm going to search like, okay, let's say gold medal. And now you can see, so here you have some, I have some footages related to that I have not published that, but you can see Sunday Times, Daily News, they have some published articles about this. And if you search the Son Nilanjana, and if you search photography, so you can see there are some articles published by various websites, even this Jaffna Vision. This is not a Sinhala or English article. This is article which is published in Jaffna about some of the, so this is actually, I'm doing this as a social influencer. So these are some pictures where I have taken in a temple, right? Here you can see these pictures I have taken in a temple, but they wrote an article in Tamil. Here you can see Sinhala letters and all. They wrote an article here mentioning my name in Tamil about these photos. The reason is the social influencing done by these pictures. Because the people in the north, they have recognized this and they have actually given a title to this. The teacher who inspired us to learn Sinhala in single picture. So that was the title given. Teacher who inspired us to learn Sinhala in single picture. So this is taken in so Sinhalese background, cultural background, but it was actually influence in the north. So that is my role as social influencer. That's why, so when you search me, So you'll get a lot of results. So because I'm interested in different fields, diversifying, right? So just take in my picture, right? Without copying much, just copying. This is some old picture of me, right? Just copy in and just paste in it here. Similar to the previous one, I'm just right click, wrap text. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් social activist කෙනෙක් හරි social influencer කෙනෙක් හරි වෙන්න future. So have you heard about Iron Woman in Pakistan? අහලා තියෙනවද?
No, sir.
Iron Woman in Pakistan. You can just go and search right in the Google. And have you search? Do you know about this? There's another person. I cannot remember his name, but I can remember the slogan. Even to this. So no arms, no legs, no worries. So that was a nice slogan given to him. This is like here, Nick. Do you know this character?
Yes, sir.
Right. So he's a social activist, social inspiring personality. He's having 2 degrees. He's married and having kids, having a family. Right. More interesting is that so he can swim, he can play football, so he can do many tasks which we cannot do. Right. So that is the thing. Similar to that, so you can search Iron Woman in Pakistan. So then you can
Muniba Mazaria.
Yeah. Muniba Mazari. So you can just search about her life. These people are social activists. So recently one was like nominated for Nobel Prize. The girl, I cannot remember her name. She's also fighting against the terrorism, I think. So there are social inspiring characters. That is another category, right? In future, you can become one of these. Okay, anyway, in your future, let's say a general category, you want to become a doctor. So let's say you have to edit this image, but don't just put your picture over this. What do you have to do? After doing this, you have to do one thing.
Remove background.
Remove background. How to do that?
In picture format.
Click on the picture format, then
Remove background in the
background.
corner.
In the corner. And it will automatically suggest you, but you can enhance this. I'm going to mark this minus sign. I'm going to use the minus sign and I'm going to remove my hair here. Just selecting a round area and that will be added. And I just want to remove this part as well. It's too much. So if it is too much, you can just add it, right? You can just go another one and use it and add to the stream. That is also possible. Okay, here I just want to remove the neck area too. Okay, I have removed everything. Right. Okay, now just apply, keep changes. Now you can see face only. I'm just going to rotate the face. Okay, zoom it. And match with the image. Okay, here I am. So just cutting the hair some. So just need to do some corrections. I don't need these areas too. Just removing that to give more room to the hair. Oh, too much. Just undo it. Okay, you can see now. So after that, what you can do, you can just do the color adjustment if you want. Just go to the picture and corrections. If you want, you can do the color adjustments, the brightness, contrast. Those things you can make it soften. So, and if you want transparency, you can add a little bit of transparency, but it's too much. No need of transparency, just remove that. Recoloring options, if you want to more color, you can apply that. Okay, after that, you can just click both and right click and group it to a single object. Now you can move the head and body together. Right? So that is what my expectation was. So try to do that. Right? Now you can see it's a single object. I can move like this, right? How to make it single object? Just tell me. So you have two pictures here, this picture and this picture. Control like obagena, while pressing the control, you can click on this picture and you can click on this picture too. Now both pictures are selected. While pressing control obagena, pictures they came a click around. So now you have two pictures. This one and this one. Control like a press karagena, make it they came a click around. If you have selected both pictures. Now right click, group and group. Right click, group. Then it will group these two pictures together and create a single instant or single picture. Now you can move this picture anywhere. Just you can see when it becomes smaller, it will look nice. So you might use my face as a cartoon next day, right? So I'm going to show this. Okay, so anyway, so shall we do this? And
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Please do this and complete this as the activity and send it to me using WhatsApp, right? Please complete this and send this to me using WhatsApp. And please add this to the Times Magazine, right? Please add this to the Times Magazine, put time, name, and put your future goal and maybe your...
So it's to your personal WhatsApp, right?
Yeah, you can send it to the personal one. So if you don't know my number, it's 071 988 3073. So please send it to the WhatsApp number. Okay, then with that I'm going to stop for today. Yes.
Can you send your email again?
Okay. admin@jits.lk. So I'll send both to the chat. Okay, with that I'm going to stop for today. Let's see you all in the next week, and you have to send me the work before next week, right? Before we start the class. Okay, then good night. See you all in next week.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Good night, sir. Bye, sir.